LiteCoin is on fire. It had a nice little pump today, going up almost 20%. Definitely unexpected, but I'm happy for the gains. So in today's video, we're going to talk about LiteCoin. I'll be giving you guys my honest opinion on this project. And at the end of the video, I'll be giving you my price predictions for the next couple months on LiteCoin. So make sure you watch the video until the very end. And most importantly, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out that BlockFi if you want to earn interest on your Bitcoin. And now let's jump straight into the video. So LiteCoin got everyone's attention today simply because it was one of the only coins in the top 10 that was green today. And it was up almost 20% on the day, which is pretty impressive for a top 10 coin. In this bull run, LiteCoin hasn't received a lot of attention compared to 2017 and 2018 when LiteCoin was buzzing. This time around, no one is talking about LiteCoin. None of the big YouTubers, the big TikTokers, none of the big influencers are even mentioning LiteCoin. But there are definitely good reasons why nobody's talking about this project. If you haven't heard about LiteCoin, it is pretty much an identical copy of Bitcoin. One of the major differences between the two is that LiteCoin aims to process a block in 2.5 minutes instead of 10 minutes like Bitcoin. So LiteCoin is pretty much the faster Bitcoin. Other than that, there's no difference whatsoever. Initially, everyone was excited about LiteCoin simply because it was like Bitcoin, but way faster. And then in 2017 and 2018, LiteCoin got a ton of attention and it reached all-time highs. But since then, it has been on a decline. Get ready for this, guys. I'm about to give you my honest opinion on LiteCoin. I know a lot of you are going to hate me for saying this, but I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm just here to give you my honest opinions based on the research that I have done. And here it goes. LiteCoin is garbage. That is my opinion on this project. Don't get me wrong. In the beginning, it was super dope. It was like the fastest thing out there. Everybody wanted it. But right now, it is a dead project. There's nobody actually developing on the project. There's nobody taking care of it. Nobody trying to take it to the next level. Over the last 2 years, there hasn't been any development on LiteCoin. It is pretty much a dead project. So if you go over to Github, you'll be able to get some of the best insight on your favorite coins, and especially coins that have been out for a very long time. You'll be able to track their progress to see if there's any development actually happening on their blockchains, pretty much if the project is still alive. I definitely recommend you guys check out GitHub if you are doing research on a particular project. They have a ton of valuable information. So when we take a look at this chart, this pretty much shows you the development, the contributions that are happening on LiteCoin. So 2011, 2012 was pretty good. 2015 to like pretty much 2019, there was definitely movement on LiteCoin, definitely development going on. But 2020, 2021, the project is completely dead. Nobody's using LiteCoin, nobody's developing on it. It is pretty much a dead project as of now. Nobody's using LiteCoin. Nobody's developing on LiteCoin. There's nobody talking about it, nobody pushing it, marketing it. It had an amazing run over the last 10 years, but right now it provides no utility whatsoever. There's a ton of other projects that are like 10 times, 100 times faster than LiteCoin. Other than that, LiteCoin lost its edge. It did not evolve. It did not grow. It just pretty much stayed the same over the last 10 years. And the only reason I believe LiteCoin is still around is because of name recognition. It is one of those OGs from back in the days. But as of right now, LiteCoin is just there. It doesn't offer anything, doesn't do much, but it is there. But this is crypto, and in crypto, anything is possible. You never know what can happen a month from now, a year from now. Elon Musk can swoop down from his spaceship and pretty much say LiteCoin to the moon. He can hire some developers and they can bring life back into LiteCoin. But anything is possible. I'm not saying that is what's gonna happen, but with crypto, anything is possible. And now let's talk about my strategy for LiteCoin and some price predictions. I started trading LiteCoin as soon as it got listed on Webull. Webull is mainly known for stocks, but they have added crypto as well. You can use that Webull link in the description. You can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. So make sure you check that out. All right, so once Webull allowed crypto trading, that was one of the first coins that I purchased. So I took a couple of $1,000s that I had sitting in my Webull account, and I ended up purchasing some LiteCoin. Then a month or two later, it ended up doubling, and I ended up making a nice little profit. I took out some money and I held on to the rest, and then it doubled again, and then I pretty much sold everything. In my opinion, it is one of the easiest coins to trade. And as of right now, I'm holding about $3,000 worth of LiteCoin on the Webull app. And I will not be selling for the next couple of months simply because I believe the price is going to go even higher. And now let me give you my price predictions for LiteCoin. Alright, so as I make this video, the price of LiteCoin is $266. In the last 24 hours, it is up just over 16%. Not bad at all. But when we look at the 7-day chart, it was pretty much flat before this massive run. But when we look at the 1-year chart, you will see that LiteCoin has definitely been pumping. It went from 50-something dollars to over $410. And then obviously it crashed down, but now it has slowly been recovering. And for a quick look at the all-time chart, you will see that in 2018, it had an all-time high of $373. So we have surpassed the all-time high this year all the way up to 410. So I believe LiteCoin is going to hit all-time highs once again. And my price predictions for the end of this year are LiteCoin to be between $600 and $800 per coin. I believe that is definitely possible, and I believe that is a very conservative price prediction. It could go even higher. I have read articles that say LiteCoin is going to go to 2,000. Some people are saying 4,000, but personally, I'm definitely not that bullish on LiteCoin. So a 2x to a 3x is definitely possible in my opinion from the current price. So the couple of $1,000s that I have in LiteCoin, I will be selling the entire position. Once LiteCoin starts reaching to $400, $500, $600, I will be selling like 10% here, 20% there until I'm fully liquidated from LiteCoin. I do not want to be stuck holding LTC once the bear market comes, simply because the coin has no utility whatsoever. Now, I do not want to be stuck holding a project that has no development. There's a ton of other projects out there that are growing their ecosystem, that are growing their communities, that are pretty much developing solutions that people will use in their real life. So if I'm gonna be stuck holding a bag, it better be with a project that has a bright future ahead. Another thing that I want to mention, crypto is absolutely insane. And even projects that have no utility, no team, no nothing behind them can have massive, massive pumps. We have seen Dogecoin, another coin that has no utility, that has unlimited supply, make people millionaires in a span of like 6 months. So please make sure you do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. These are just my honest opinions. Also, let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts on LiteCoin? And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.